afternoon. We're going to have a complete turnaround as far as the weather's concerned in the week ahead. At the moment we have high pressure, but by the end of the week that will have been completely replaced by an area of low pressure, so out will go the fine weather. There's quite a lot of cloud across the country. Looks more threatening than it is. Most of it's actually quite thin, but there is some thicker cloud in parts of Northern Ireland and the west of northern Scotland to give just one or two spots of light rain and drizzle. But for most parts of the country it is going to be dry, it'll be bright, there'll be a fair amount of sunshine coming and going as some patchy cloud floats around from time to time. Quite a stiff breeze though in these western and northern areas, so although temperatures around 10 degrees, 11 degrees or so don't look bad, in that wind I think it'll feel a little bit chilly. During this evening tonight, further thicker cloud creeps in across parts of Northern Ireland and the west of Scotland, eventually bringing with it some outbreaks of rain, but for most places a fine night, clear skies. That means to say another jolly cold night, widespread frost across England and Wales, that is away from coastal areas, and quite sharp frost too, even some in the southeast of Scotland. Tomorrow the high pressure begins to slip away. A front will creep in from the west, bringing some drizzly rain across much of Scotland and Northern Ireland before the day's out, but for England and Wales staying dry, fair amount of sunshine after that, chilly start, maybe a few spots of rain eventually coming into the far northwest there. A mild night in the north tomorrow, but another touch of frost in southeastern areas of England because skies again will be fairly clear, but that front will eventually be coming across during the course of Tuesday. By that time a fairly weak front, but it will eventually spread some rain across most areas, light and patchy rain generally speaking, some heavier rain though in the northwestern corner of Scotland. That gives us a fairly mild night Tuesday and into first thing Wednesday, because there'll be a lot of cloud around and still those outbreaks of lightish rain. But the fronts will be moving away during Wednesday, so although much of the country starts off with some cloud and spits and spots of rain, brighter weather, although with one or two showers, will slowly come across from the west during the course of the day. And with skies clearing in northern parts, a cold night to come on Wednesday night, Thursday morning, some frost in parts of Scotland. A waving front to contend with on Thursday. That's going to be a little bit of a pest because it may well take its time to get away. It eventually will, and then we get the low pressure moving in. So some outbreaks of rain in southeastern areas to begin with in that latter part of the week, eventually moving away, and then we're in for the usual sort of mixture of showers and longer outbreaks of rain, some of them quite heavy in northern areas, and eventually begin